Hi, my name is Rose Kepler-Meradian of Delicious Gardens. Today I'm going to show you about watering tips for tomatoes. There are many different ways to water tomatoes, but in general, tomatoes like to be watered on their roots and not their leaves. So, one of the three ways that you can water tomatoes is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation ends up with these small spaghetti tubes, they're called, going to each plant. They're connected to a larger tube that connects to the watering spout. What I've just done is I've connected a spaghetti, the length that I need, that goes to this tomato plant, and I'm inserting a 1 gallon per hour drip emitter into the end of the spaghetti, and I'm bringing it down to the tomato plant, into the root zone of the tomato plant. And I am using a soil staple to hold it down, so it goes right to where the water needs to go. There is a clock that you program that comes on certain times of day that will water your vegetable garden. And with drip irrigation, you also have a choice of doing spray like this, which gets the leaves wet. In certain plants like lettuces, you do want to have that. But for tomatoes, they like to have it right on the root zone. The other two ways are watering with a watering can whenever it needs it. And that's fine to do in areas that have higher rainfall during the summer. A nice healthy plant has plumped up leaves, and the soil is allowed to drain on a regular basis. Some tomatoes actually, when they have fruit, prefer to have smaller amounts of water because it helps the flavor of the tomato get stronger. So once you have fruits that are red on your plant, you want to give it selective amounts of water, and that will help the sugars increase. Whereas if you overwater the tomato plant when it has red fruits on it, it'll cause the plant to pump a lot of water into the fruit, and you'll lose the sugar and it won't taste that good. Just give the plant what it needs. You can test the soil. So you don't want clay, and you don't want it to be so hard that you can't put your finger in it. This is just right the way it is. My name is Rose Kepler-Meradian of Delicious Gardens, and I thank you for joining me on watering tips for tomatoes. Thank you.